Omron's G9KJ series 1500-volt DC pre-charged power relays are now available from Sega Electronics. The G9KJ series is optimized to reduce size and weight while controlling the increasing voltages in EVs, energy storage systems, and other applications up to 1500 volts DC. It's ideal for use in the pre-charge circuit where a relay is used to control inrush current and can also be used for discharge circuits. The compact and lightweight relays have a 25 amp making current rating and are available with either 12 or 24 volt coils. The coils have a low 530 milliwatt power consumption to support efficient operation. The PCB-mount relays offer quicker assembly than a conventional screw terminal relay and deliver significant reductions in mounting area, volume, and weight, while maintaining 25 millimeters of creepage and 14 millimeters of clearance to ensure safe operation. To learn more about Omron's G9KJ series, visit Sager.com.